guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all my morning skincare routine. I personally believe that taking care of your skin is most important and you should not skip it. You should at least give 5 to 10 minutes in the morning and at night to take care of your skin, and it really feels good when someone asks you that your skin is glowing and what are the products or what do you do to take care of your skin. And yeah, I really love when people ask me that. My skin behaves not good at some times, but it all depends upon what you eat and how you take care of your skin. So now, without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the video. Before showing you all the products that I use, I would like to mention that you need not to use these many products because I tend to use at least 3 to 4 products on my skin. But you should take care of your skin by eating good, working out, and also to drink water. Normally people forget to drink water, but water is something which is free of cost, and it's easily available at home and it doesn't cost you anything. So you should drink water, at least 3 liters of water, and I personally love drinking water, so I drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily. But on eating part, I am not that good. I try to eat healthy, but not all the time it's possible, but still I try. So all these factors combine on how your skin looks. If you're eating junk and then you're applying loads of creams and shitloads of products, it will not help you, let me tell you that. But yeah, taking care of your skin has so many factors involved, and now I'll be showing you all the products that I use and how I use it and what are the benefits of it. I'll just quickly go and take off this makeup and I'll see you in a bit. So this is how my face looks like, all fresh and clean, and you can see a lot of dark circles going on and also some pigmentation onto my cheeks, but dark circles are hereditary. I cannot do much about it. But moving further with the video, the first product that I like to apply on my face is a toner. Now I would like to mention few benefits of toner. If you are not using a toner, do start using a toner, because toner helps you to get rid of all the excess oil, dirt and makeup from your face. It helps to reduce the pores, it helps to prevent acne, it even tones your skin, it also maintains the pH level of your skin, it also gives a nice layer onto your skin which helps the absorption of the moisturizer really well, and it also helps to protect your skin from harsh UV rays. So the toner that I use currently is my absolute favorite. I've been using it from last 4 to 5 months now, and this is the Face Shop Chia Seed Toner. This is a hydrating toner, and this is how the bottle looks like. The consistency of it is little thick. It's not watery like other toners. It's little thick like a serum. It smells amazing, and since it's hydrating, it gives a nice boost of hydration onto my face, and I absolutely love it. So what I like to do with this is I shake this really nicely and take big 2 pumps of it onto my palm like this, and then I cannot show you because it will just drop it. So I will just warm the product, and with the help of my hand I will just press it onto my skin. I wish you could smell it through the camera. It's it smells so nice and so fresh. So I just like to tap it on my skin like this in very gentle motion so that the product absorbs really nicely. Once the toner is nicely absorbed, I move on to my serum. Now it's been 2 months that I am using vitamin C serum on my face, and I would like to tell you a few benefits of vitamin C serum. First, it prevents your skin from sun damage because it's an antioxidant. It also has anti-aging properties. It also helps to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, and it also brightens up your face. Your skin looks more younger. It helps in discoloration, to prevent discoloration onto your face, and it also helps into reducing dark circles, and it improves the hydration and moisturizing of your skin. The serum that I like to use is this one. This is the KLM C20. This has been recommended to me by my dermat. I absolutely love this product, and there are so many other serums like vitamin C serums available in the market, but the market ones has less concentrate of vitamin C. Mostly it's 5 to 8% or hardly 10%, but in this one I get 20% vitamin C serum, so it's really nice. And I just like to shake this bottle and I will drop it on my forehead and onto my cheeks. I like to massage it in circular motions like this. And once it's spread all over my face, and then I like to just tap it onto my skin. With this, the absorption of the product is really nice, and you can feel the difference. Like once you use it multiple times, you can see like this method really helps. Once the serum is nicely absorbed, I'll move on to the moisturizer. Now moisturizer helps in hydrating the skin. It also prevents your skin to look dull, dry or flaky, and it also gives a nice layer, a protective layer of moisture which is locked in throughout the day. The moisturizer that I am using, if I haven't told you, my skin is combination type and I use light moisturizers because I tend to sweat a lot on my T-zone. Either I use a moisturizer, or these days I'm using this Face Shop White Seed brightening serum. So this is also a nice moisturizer, and what I like to do is I take a big pump of it, like 2 pumps or maybe 2.5, depends. So I take this much and see how runny it is, and this serum is really nice. It is very apt for my skin type, and what I like to do is I just apply it all over my face with the fingers, and then with the nice short circular motions I just massage the product into my skin. This product smells amazing, and this is so lightweight, and it definitely brightens up the face. And I like to apply it during the day. At night I use my moisturizer. Now the serum is nicely absorbed into my skin, and my face feels so soft and smells amazing. And now the next step is very important, and that's applying a sunscreen. Many people skip this step, and I just don't understand why they skip this step. Sunscreen helps you to prevent your skin from the harsh and harmful UV rays of the sun. It also prevents the premature aging. It also helps to avoid tanning and sunburns, and it also lowers the risk of skin cancer. So the sunscreen that I use is a 50 SPF sunscreen, and it's also oil-free, non-greasy. It has a matte finish, and it's also water resistant. Both are recommended by my dermat, but I would recommend you to use any sunscreen that you have, but it should be SPF 50 because that is higher and that's what your skin needs. And these are the two. This one is Acaran Soft. This is how it looks. And this one is Sun Heal. This has a very little tint, so at times when I'm going out and I don't want to apply anything on my face, it gives me a very tiny tint all onto my face, and it looks nice. Both are SPF 50, but this is the one that I use on my daily basis, and I absolutely love it. It's been 2 years that I'm using it, so I like to take nice amount onto the back of my hand like this, and then I will apply it all over my face. I just like to warm the product and mix it like this, and then I will just apply it with the help of my fingers and will massage it nicely. Never forget your neck. Mostly people forget it. It's the most sensitive area, and I will massage it like this. I always use circular motions or upward motion like this. After the sunscreen comes the lip balm. Now lip balm really helps to moisturize your lips. It also prevents your lips from harsh UV rays of the sun, and it also helps you to avoid that flaky and chapped lips that we don't like. And the lip balm that I'm currently using and I'm kind of obsessed with is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter. This is how it looks, and I will nicely coat my lips with this. Mostly people think that skincare is just about the face until here or maybe till neck, but skincare is of your complete body. So once my face is done, what I like to do is I just moisturize my hands and my legs with this St. Ives moisturizer. This is very light and I absolutely love it. I don't like that sticky feeling of the moisturizer, so I have used so many, and this is the one that I have narrowed it down, and I really like it, and it smells amazing. And the last step is for my foot, and I use a body butter because these days I feel that my heels are little dry and cracked up. I don't know why, it's summers, but my heels are little rough, so I like to apply body butter because it's thick in consistency and it helps in healing it fast and gives a nice moisture. And the one that I'm using right now, and I absolutely love it, it's from Soap and Glory. Look how cute the packaging is. This is the Soap and Glory body butter. It's very thick since it's body butter, and it smells divine. I have the entire range of Soap and Glory. You get it at Sephora, and this is the one that I use for my foot. Normally I use it during night, but these days I'm also using it in the morning, so that's why I included it in the video. So this is how my face looks like after doing all the steps that I do. I hope you can see how brightened and how glowy my face is looking. Now since I have dark circles and also the light that I'm using, it's making my skin look little dark, but that's okay. That's not the point. The point is that my skin is looking glowy and I absolutely love it. I would highly recommend you all to give at least 5 minutes to your skincare. If you don't want to use so many products, 2 products that you should always apply is, one is moisturizer and the other one is sunscreen. Nothing without sunscreen. Your skin will look so nice, and your skin will thank you later that you've applied sunscreen. And I think ever since I know the term sunscreen, I've been applying it, and I have been religiously doing my morning and night skincare. It's been more than 10 years, and it's not a thing that if you are applying a product for a day or 2 or maybe a week, you think your skin will change completely. It will not. It's a process. It's a lifestyle. You have to do it. You have to maintain it. Keep on doing it, and if you're using a product, give at least 15 to 20 days to that product to see whether it's working for you or not. With this, I would like to end this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you are not into skincare, I believe that seeing my video you will start doing something with your skin. And yeah, if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Be a part of my virtual family, and I shall see you all in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching.